Live Super Doppler 4 HD on this Sunday evening in the alert mode. Of course, we declared an alert day yesterday for the potential of these severe thunderstorms moving in today, and exactly what we have happening this afternoon across the area. Let me show you where we have the warning now. You can see here this covers places like Greenville, eastern Greenville County over towards Abbeville, Greenwood, Lawrence, and Spartanburg counties here. And this goes until 6:45. This line of storms here on the leading edge has some very strong winds that could gust up to 60 miles per hour. Of course, has lots of lightning and some heavy rainfall as well. So Spartanburg, Clinton over towards Union. This is heading your way here within the next 30 minutes, so be prepared for that. Now let me take you up towards the north around Spartanburg over towards Pauline. We've got another line of storms. This has been a very impressive rainfall maker here. Lots of heavy rain, but also lots of lightning developing with this line of storms, and it's not really moving very much. The individual storms are moving off towards the south and east, but the line is slowly sagging off towards the south. So that slow motion is producing some very heavy rainfall. So we're getting rainfall totals in that 1 to 2 inch range already just from this line of storms here over the past 30 minutes to an hour here, setting up from Spartanburg over towards Pauline and down towards Jonesville, especially where we've had some reports of 2 to 3 inches of rainfall with that. So some stormy weather definitely out there for us this afternoon. We're watching that northwest flow that we were talking about, and I've kind of outlined an area that I'm going to be keeping my eyes on throughout the evening here. This is northern Tennessee and over towards southern Kentucky, because another one of these little lines or complexes of storms may get going and push down on that northwesterly flow. So we've got to watch off to the north and west, not just for tonight, but really for the next several days all the way into the weekend. Let me describe kind of what the weather pattern is shaping up across the area here. We've got this dome of high pressure here. I call this the ring of fire. So any Johnny Cash fans out there, you know what they talk about, how it goes around the ring of fire. Well, check this out. We get these storms that develop over the Arklatex, and they move up and around this dome of high pressure, and that's how we get these storms coming in from the northwest, diving off to the south and east. And we're going to see that pattern again for us potentially again tonight, with storms developing to our north and sagging down towards the south and east. And the main threat with these storms are going to be the potential of some damaging wind that could occur with this. Now, let me show you how it plays out on future radar. Again, this evening we'll have these storms pulling on through. We get a little bit of a break, and then maybe another round around late midnight or so. And then notice more rain and storms could form in the mountains tomorrow into tomorrow morning. And then as we get into the afternoon with that northwesterly flow, here comes more storms. And this is really the pattern that's going to set up really for the next several days. So even heading into your Monday, another risk of some severe storms possibly out there across the area. So the hazy, hot, and humid weather we've had this weekend being replaced by this boundary that's going to kind of move in from the back door from the north and east, stall out across the area, and that's going to produce round after round of showers and storms. In fact, over the next 7 days, most likely most of us in the upstate northeast Georgia, 1 to 2 inches. Our friends in the mountains could see 3 inches or more out of this pattern. Here's your 4-day plus. We made it impact days pretty much for the next 7 days. We're looking at good chances for afternoon showers and storms each day. Some of them could be on the strong to severe side and produce some heavy rain. And of course, we'll keep an eye on the 4th of July. Right now, it looks like a good chance of scattered showers and storms.